Whipped soap. This stuff is everywhere nowadays. Hey guys, I'm Katie, and today I'm here to show you the easiest way to make whipped soap ever. Most recipes require you to use a variety of individual surfactants and humectants to make the soap from scratch, but this recipe is made from a melt and pour base, making it one of the easiest I've ever used. Come on, let's jump right in. So like I said, this recipe starts with melt and pour soap. It works best with an opaque base like goat's milk. Clear glycerin bases don't really work as well. For starters, I've got my MP soap here cut into cubes so I can melt down easier. I'm gonna go ahead and get this melted down in the microwave, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I melted down my soap base, being sure to use short intervals to prevent from boiling and scorching. First up is some cocamidal propylbutane for a bubbly boost. Also some glycerin to draw in the moisture into the skin. Finally, just a bit of distilled water to thin it out a bit. Now I'm going to give it all a quick stir with the spatula. While everything is still liquid, I'm going to grab my hand mixer and get whipping. If your mixture bubbles up a little bit too much, just go ahead and grab your spatula again and give it a good stir until the bubbles go down, and then you'll continue whipping. I'm continuously checking the temperature of my soap so I can be ready to add in my last ingredients. Because we added extra water to this recipe, I'm going to be adding in some Verbena 2 preservative while still whipping. Then it's time for fragrance. Lemon Verbena is one of our summer bestsellers, and I think it's a perfect bright fresh scent for our soap. You should see the mixture come together and grow in volume as the air gets whipped into it. Once it has peaks like whipped cream, it's ready. I'm obsessed with those videos of frosting and bath product piping. They're all over my TikTok and Insta feed right now. I'm gonna try to replicate that with this soap now. I'm gonna carefully spoon this mixture into our piping bag that already has a large tip in it. Okay, so now that I have some in here, I'm gonna pull it up and pipe this into our packaging container using a swirling motion. And now you have a simple, easy to make, and even easier to use whipped soap. This stuff is so bubbly and it makes washing your hands and body all the more fun. All that's left for me to do is finish off with a cute handmade label, and we're gonna be done for the day. I hope you enjoyed checking out this recipe. If you want to try it and recreate it at home, we'd love to see your creations. Just tag us on any of our socials linked in the description box down below, and you could be featured on our feeds. Don't forget to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel. It's a totally free way to support us, and it means the world to me. Thanks so much for joining me in the AFI lab today, and I'll see you guys again in the next one. Bye for now.